You're listening to Mystery Side Hustle, the number one place here on YouTube for all things for mystery shopping and how to get quick, fast cash when you need it the most. Make sure to check out our previous episodes on our podcast and also review our videos on our YouTube channel. Welcome back to another podcast episode here on Money Struggle Success on YouTube. It is Friday, August the 4th, and once again, I am back to give you some motivation to get this cash. You know, how many of you honestly have actually done a mystery shop in the past, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? Please, I want somebody to tell me I did one, I did two, I did three, I did more. Like, come on, guys. I need you guys to really stop. I don't know the right word to say. Like, I guess you guys don't believe in the ability to make this money with mystery shopping. So, here's a quick story because I had somebody come to me and was like, "Look, I'm trying to find these mystery shop because I keep googling it and I'm not finding anything." And so I'm like, "Well, why are you googling it if I've told you many times to go on my website and click on the link that shows you 50 plus jobs for you to just sign up with?" Well, I mean, that's a lot of work. I want to just go right ahead and just, find the job and apply to it. And then I said, "Well, how has that been working for you?" I haven't found anything. That's why I'm like, I don't know what's going on. And I'm like, because you're treating mystery shopping like a W-2 job. Just listen to me real quick, right? So when you want to find a job in like regular world, you go on Google, you go on Indeed, you go on Snag a Job or wherever, and you type in jobs. Then you see this list of jobs. You see exactly how much you're going to get paid, what they require you to do, and all that, but you are not remembering in the mystery shop world keyword mystery, they're not going to outline and tell you so everyone in the world can literally click a button to see where the address is for that company, what you must do, how much you will get paid, and all those factors. Those are confidential, secret information that you will only find within the platform of that company. So when I say go sign up for all of these companies, it's because you will only find jobs most times by going to each individual website and looking. But you don't even have to look because I find that to be tedious and I don't got the time. So when I say to you guys, make sure when you fill out the application, you put please send me emails because they offer this to you because depending upon your address listed on the application, they will filter every job that comes around you, whether it's close to you, maybe an hour from you, 30 minutes from you. Anytime you are the closest person, it will just be shipped to you. Now, granted, if you have already been doing some shops, maybe just one or two shops in the area, you don't really have many people around you because many people aren't just so open about being a mystery shopper. So they will literally pick you over anyone else because you've shown up, you've completed the work, you've been on time, you've been reliable, and you haven't flaked. Like all those factors are important in the mystery shop world, and it will make you special. Like you are more important than the five other people who are also in the area because you have shown that you can be counted on, reliable, and get the job done, which makes the scheduler happy because their job is to make sure you get the job done. So they don't got to do too much. So why would they want to go to someone else for these big check type of jobs when they already know they can rely on you? So, you guys, Google is good to just get an understanding of what companies are out there. But then again, I caution you because this is how people get scammed. Anybody can make a website, anybody can claim to be a company. And if you do not know if they're reputable or not, you will fall victim to possibly getting scammed. And these people who you sign up with will share your email. And this is how you get those emails with these bogus jobs because somebody that you signed up with wasn't real. They paid they got paid to share that list with another person who can potentially get money from you by being a scammer. So, it is literally a funnel of crazy, but you have to know how to manage it from the top to the bottom. And the very top, the first thing you need to do is to go to my website, click on that link with the 50 plus companies, and apply to all of them. Also, you can go to the mystery shopping um national website that's also listed on my blog that gives you even more companies that are already been recognized by them as being legitimate. So it's so many, and I'm going to start trying my hardest to well, not try my hardest 'cause I'm doing it right now. I'm going to start reviewing every company that I can find, because many people are just searching just to make sure, who are still not familiar and may not have found me, to know, hey, this person is giving me facts and I can trust it. Let me just go right ahead and try it. So this is why I am about to start making these videos on these different companies so that people who are looking for opportunities can find this channel, because this hub, I want to say this is going to be a hub for those who are in the mystery shopping world, who are new, who are veterans. And I want people who to just start communicating so people can have that sense of community to ask questions and get answers. Because when you're doing it alone and you only have the scheduler, and maybe the scheduler just isn't doing something right, you can always get a second opinion. Hey, is this right? This sounds a little off. Well, I ain't get paid. What do I do? Like, all those things can be very stressful, but it's much easier when you have a community. So, what do we learn today so far? Don't Google for jobs. You can Google to find companies, but again, my website gives you all the information for that. And I tell you to go directly to the source that can verify and clarify if a company is indeed legitimate. Now, I can say they don't all have every single company, because I looked up a company one time and I didn't see them in there, but they were actually true. But again, it's always just don't give nobody your money. If somebody send you a check, a gift card, or anything, that's not real. No one sends you anything monetary or gift card, which is, still considered a monetary situation, before you complete a job. Okay. Now, let's move on to another topic. Now, when you are doing these shops, remember, try to stack them up. Remember, stack on stack on stack. I have a whole podcast episode about that, which will allow you to maximize your money. If you're finding that the area you're in have $12, $6, not too much kind of money shops, then you have to look into ways to maximize your cash, and that is to do more shops within one day, so that $7 can turn into $130. And that's great, and it's possible, because if you add up $10 shops and $20 shops and $7 shops, it all adds up really, really quickly. And maybe not, let me say, not in one day. How about in one week? And then you just keep on building up and building up. But again, don't overdo it. Remember, you have to complete these forms. And if you have the opportunity when you sign up for the shops, as some companies allow you to see the actual shop form. This way, and this is another tip, if you're going to do a shop, when you get accepted and you're able to see the questionnaire you have to fill out, go look at it before you even do your mystery shop. Because this way, 100% what questions are being asked of you and what pictures, if any, you need to take or upload per documents. This is how I always maintain 100% or 10 out of 10, because I already know what to expect. And before, when I first started, I never did that. I never looked at the actual questionnaire. I only read the shop guidelines, which was okay, but the shop guidelines didn't give me what will get me paid, which is that questionnaire. So reading the questionnaire, understanding what is asked of you, and also reading the guidelines is, if it's, hopefully they're in sync and they work properly, because I've come across guidelines that were outdated, that were wrong, and had me looking all kind of crazy. But always reach out to your scheduler, who is there to help you succeed, because when you succeed, they succeed. And that's why they're always going to be your first point of contact. But again, community right here, give us your comment, or message us whatever you feel that can give you some clarity, because I want you guys to win. I want you to stop sleeping on mystery shopping. I want you to get this money. Have money in your inbox when you feel like you broke. Oh, I want to go to dinner. Well, let's go look at this inbox real quick and see if we have a restaurant shop, because that's free. Okay, we want to take advantage of those things, right? So let's do that and make sure that we are taking advantage of everything that's being offered to us.